Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix Gmail user session expire error on your Gmail. So as you can see guys, in my screen same error are also facing. So let's see how to fix this irritating problem. So first I will tell you about why you are facing this type of error on your Gmail. So what happened sometime guys, so when you are using your Gmail while browsing your Gmail, so at that time your internet connection was suddenly disconnected or not coming. At that time you can get this type of message on your Gmail. So one more main reason behind this error is this guys, for long time if you have logged in your Gmail account, so at that time you can also face this type of problem. So first you need to close your browser, okay, and once again open your browser and you need to log in your Gmail account once again, okay. So before login guys, you can follow this easy and simple methods on your browser. So I am using Chrome browser. If you are using another browser, you can try this method on your browser. So first you need to update your browser. So to update guys, click on three dots, go to help, go to about Google Chrome. So from here you can easily able to update your browser, okay. After updating, it will fix your problem. Still, in case you are facing same type of problem, in your browser settings in the left panel here you can get the option privacy and security. Just click and open it like this, okay. And in the right panel here you can get the option third party cookies. Just extend this, scroll down, and here you can get the option see all site data and permission. Extend this and just you need to delete all this site data, okay, and then it will fix your problem. So one more method you can try guys, you need to clear your browsing data. Go to once again privacy and security, select delete browsing data, select all time, and then click delete data. That's it, okay. Now close the settings, go to Gmail, and then log in your Gmail ID, Gmail account, and it will 100% fix your issue. So these are the easy and simple solution. So one more reason behind this error is this guys, what happens sometime by default Google server, Gmail server was down. At that time you can also get this type of issue. So wait for few minutes and try to log in back, okay. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.